Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Akib Shehzad. So, friends, if you are new in my channel, please watch my previous video and they will help you in getting scholarship or internship or exchange program. So today our destination is Turkey. The scholarship name is Turkey Balsalari Scholarship Program 2022. That is a fully funded program. The very well-known Turkey Bursary Scholarship 2022 is now open. Turkey Popular Scholarship Program opens 2022 application. This scholarship will select 5,000 applicants from all around the world. The Turkey Government Scholarship is open for bachelor, master and PhD degree program, one of the fully funded all expenses covered scholarship program. The courses are taught in English for international students. All academic fields are available for bachelor, master and PhD. Turkey is the second highest country in the world in access to higher education. There are 207 universities in Turkey, nearly 60,000 different programs at 207 universities. The application system is online, which is free of charge. The institution provides around 5,000 full degree scholarship, bachelor, master and PhD degree programs. The student will also be provided with 1 year free Turkish language course. All participants from any country can apply for this program. So guys, this is a new step add in this scholarship program, 1 year free Turkish language course. Details about Turkey Basali Scholarship 2022. The host country is Turkey and the degree level are undergraduate, master, PhD and short-term program. The financial coverage is fully funded and the deadline is 20 February 2022. Scholarship level and duration. Turkey undergraduate scholarship 1 year Turkish language course plus 4 to 6 years depending on the normal duration of the program. And Turkey master scholarship 1 year Turkish language course plus 2 years degree program. And Turkey PhD scholarship program 1 year Turkish language course plus 4 years degree program. Undergraduate scholarship coverage. University and program placement monthly stipend 700 TL per month. TL means that Turkey lira. Actually, the Turkey currency is lira. Free tuition fee, once off, return flight ticket, health insurance, accommodation, 1 year Turkish language course, and master and PhD scholarship coverage, university and program placement, monthly stipend for master 950 TL per month, and for PhD 1400 TL per month. Tuition fee of and once off return flight ticket, health insurance, accommodation, 1 year Turkish language course. And minimum academic criteria. The minimum academic achievement for bachelor degree program is 70%. Minimum academic achievement for master and doctoral degree applicant is 75%, and the minimum academic achievement for health science, medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy is 90%. And age criteria: to be under the age of 21 for undergraduate program, and to be under the age of 30 for master program, and to be under the age of 35 for doctoral program. Eligible countries. Citizens of all countries are eligible except Turkish citizens. Graduate or applicant who are able to graduate at the end of the current academic year before September 2022 can apply. Researchers and academicians. Required documents. All candidates must submit the following documents online: a valid national identification document or a valid passport, a recent photo of the candidate, national exam scores required for candidates who do not possess any international qualification or certification, diploma or temporary certificate of graduation, academic transcript, online screenshot and uncertified transcript will undermine the evaluation of your application. International exam score GRE, GMAT if required by the chosen university and program. Language test score if required by the chosen university and program. It depends upon which university you choose. I require English language course or GRE, GMAT exams, then you have to put exam score there. A research proposal and an example of your written work for PhD applicant only. And the deadline is 20 February 2022. So how to apply for Turkey Bus Folly Scholarship? The application duration is from 10 January to 20 February 2022. So let's have a look on the official. So guys, this is the official calendar, application timetable, general application period. So you can check here, application period 10 January to 20 February, evaluation process March, April and May, interview period is June, July, announcement of result is early August, and initial procedure is August, and transfer of graduates to Turkey in September. So guys, here you have to go to login. So guys, first of all, you have to create your account. You have to register yourself. You have to put your first name, your name here, your middle name, your surname, your gender, your date of birth, your nationality, your email again, and password and confirm password. Then I have simply save it. Then they will send you an email. I already made my account, so I'm going to log in my account. So guys, this is my Turkey Scholarship Balsali account. So first of all, in this section, personal information, you have to put your information. You have to put your picture here. After that, all the information you have to put here: your gender, your date of birth, your nationality, and information on hobbies, special talent information. After this section, go to next section, family information. So here you have to put your family related information. Is your mother alive? Is your father alive? Your total monthly income. And after that, go to contact information. Contact information is your country, your city, your postal code, your phone number, your street, your mobile number. And after that, go to education information. So guys, here you have to put your middle school, your high school, your associate degree, your bachelor degree if you're applying for a master degree program. All the information here step by step. After that, go to language details. You have to put here language, native language here, other skills and Turkish language skills. After that, go to next portion, work experience. If you have any work experience, so you have to simply put here. After that, you have to attach your CV here and go to next, academic qualification. Here you can add your academic qualification. Yes, exam name, exam date, grade and country, and simply providing PDF that document. After that, you go to social achievements, award, project and certificate. You can add from here simply, and voluntary activities here. After that, go to Turkish experience. If you have Turkish experience, you can simply add it from here. Go to edit. Yes, are you Turkey? No, or have you ever been in Turkey? No. After that, go to the my application. So guys, after putting all the information, your application will show here, and result will be announced here, result status. So guys, this is the whole process how you can apply for the Turkey Bursali scholarship program. If you face any difficulty, you can ask me in comment. I will answer all your queries. So guys, this is a very good opportunity to study in Turkey. So guys, don't waste your time. Apply yourself as well as apply from your siblings if they are also eligible. Also share with your friends. Maybe they will benefit from this scholarship program. Thank you so much, guys. If you like my videos, please share it with your friend circle. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.